I'm gonna do a quick demo and tutorial on this Eloise Beauty Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the color Pure Gold. A lot of you guys may have received this in BoxyCharm like I did. I believe this retails for $26. Look at this packaging. My god, if this doesn't look luxe. Just gonna concentrate on the eyes. This is gonna be really quick. I don't want to make it too complicated. It's not like I create complicated looks anyway. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. So you can either go straight with this liquid eyeshadow if you would want, but I like to always add some like depth to the outer corner, maybe like a little smoked out effect, then go in with this. So that's what we will do today. I will be using for that this Juvia's Place Ruby in 3 Coral palette. I have done several looks with this. I love this palette, but if you don't have this palette, you can just follow along like with similar colors. I'm gonna put this like on the crease. This is just a beautiful cool tone. Not supposed to show up like a lot. It's just to place something in the crease. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm using for this a 224 brush from MAC. I'm placing it in the same area. Just going back and forth. Trying to look down. I love blending looking down. So I'm just going back and forth, and then when I get here to the outer corner, I go like in circular motions. And I am dragging it a bit higher. That's just because I have deep set eyes. Still using the same brush. Now I'm gonna take the darkest color here. These are all matte shades, by the way. I'm taking this darkest chocolate color. Just like pushing the shade inward, but not going too deep. Anyway, when we put the liquid shadow, we're gonna go back in with this shade to blend them together a bit. This dark shade, I'm just concentrating here. As you see, I'm not really like taking it high as the other shades. Just look for any palette that you have that has browns. Just think brown would look so nice with the gold. Now let's do the swatch before we apply this on the eyes. Just look at this. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Again, I got this in BoxyCharm. Wow. Very precise when you go around the edges. This is gorgeous. Alright, now I'm just like tapping it to like build the color. First I was like swiping to get the color distributed. This is gorgeous. Alright, so I'm just gonna let that dry. Super pigmented, beautiful, perfect for the holidays, for any occasion really that you would like. And you can take your favorite highlighter, whichever, and you want to just highlight the inner corner. I'm gonna take this one as the first one I found. This is by Makeup Revolution. This is an eye crease brush. Just gonna place it there in the inner corner. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply liner and lashes. Just gonna add a lip color. I think I'm gonna go with this color here. This is by Beauty Bakery and it's called Cranberry Stiletto. It's almost Christmas, so I feel like, I don't know, like a red is needed. This will dry down to a matte. Very clean, smooth application. I'll do a close-up of the look and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.